Let's create Google or Gmail account without phone number. You can start by opening one of Google application like Play Store. Then type your profile icon in the top right corner. Then it is much better if you can fill this requirement. You can't do this thing using an emulator. Your device should be actual one. Second, you don't need a brand new device. But if your device have multiple Google accounts, you can keep one verified account. Then temporarily you have to remove other accounts from your device. Like you see in the video, I have only one account. Now tap down arrow next to your Gmail address. Then tap add another account option. Another thing, you can't create account recently. If you create account today, you have to wait 1-2 weeks to create another account. After Google checking, tap create account. Then select for myself. Here, enter your name. Don't provide any animal names or things or any other stuffs. If you provide any unusual name or any brand name, then Google will ask to verify your account. After filling that section, you can tap next. Then here, enter some random birthday. And also you can select the gender type. Then tap next. Here you can enter any available username. You don't have to worry about that. Then tap next. Here you can provide a password. Then tap next at the bottom. Now this is the window we need. You see, they ask to provide your phone number, but that's optional. You can skip this step also. So tap skip in the bottom left corner. This is my Gmail address. Then tap next. Scroll down. Then tap I agree. Then it will load little time. Just wait a second. Yeah, you got your new Gmail address without phone number. Now you have 2 Google accounts. Some people say Google automatically adds your phone number. That's wrong. I will show you will Google automatically adds my phone number. Let's go to personal info. If you scroll down in the phone number section, you can see there is no any phone number. If you need more information, you can check video description. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.